Hey everybody, how's it going? Today it's time to unboxing and test as well this original Apple lightning cable, but this one is a lightning to USB. It's not a lightning to type C. 1 meter. I bought from Apple store. It's the original, of course. Here's at the back, this side. Yeah. And so, without further ado, let's get started. And I am still using my old original iPad adapter, 10 watt of charging. Yeah. So let's put it here. Let's unboxing. As you can see this arrow, just pull it. Yeah, that's it. And I can open my box. Just pull it. So here's the cable. Another book. That's it. It's a Apple 1-year limited warranty summary book, certification and compliance or compliance. Yeah. So here's the cable. Very nice feeling. It's a very quality build. One meter, like I said just now. Let's open this plastic. It's a very nice packaging and finishing as well. That's it, just like this. And here's the cable. After removing everything, it's very clean. Just insert it. And now let's test the charger. So that's my extension, my charger, new cable, and my iPhone. Let's try out. Just click on it. Hopefully it works. It works. So this is my new lightning cable, official from Apple Store, original. And before I end off this video, you can give a feedback for my brand new lightning cable in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.